What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tymarrahgi. We are back with another tutorial. So we're working with BeautyForever hair, and we're working with their 20-inch water wave glueless unit, and it does have highlights in it. It is so cute. This is a wear and go unit, so the video is how long it is because this took me no time to install. So I was getting ready for my little sister's graduation, and I was like, I just need something that I could just throw on real quick. And I was like, oh yeah, this BeautyForever wig, like this is just too cute. And one little hack that I like to do is, since it is a 7x5, I like to take out my sideburns, like my real hair. And this is glueless, like you see me like show before. You don't have to put glue on it, but in this heat and stuff like that, sometimes I just be wanting to feel like really secure. So I just sprayed like a little adhesive and put like a little fan to it, and you know, just had that drying on there. But you can definitely wear this unit glueless if you would like, but I just opted to use some little adhesive spray. Now I'm not doing too much with the baby hairs. I'm just doing like just a little 1-2. So I just took out a little bit of hair, and then I am going to go in with my hot comb and make sure everything is flat. One thing about it is I would suggest, and I very like when I am like, you know, anybody asking me tips about hair, when you are working with wigs or anything like that, the hot comb is like very necessary. Like you can go over with your hot comb a million times and your hair is going to look very laid. So don't be afraid to use that hot comb and just go through, because I will go through with my hot comb a million times until I feel satisfied. So I'm just cutting my little baby hairs, and I just took like some Gorilla Snot. Like I haven't used Gorilla Snot in so long. I seen it at the beauty supply store and I got a little small tube. But like, would I keep using it? I don't really know, because Gorilla Snot is just so messy. But the baby hairs came out very cute. So I don't know. I might use it again. I might not. I'm not sure. But this is all we did for the baby hairs. It was just so easy. Just a quick little 1-2. It was definitely nothing. And like I said, I'm back in with that hot comb, making sure everything looks really good. But I didn't want to do too much on the top because we're just literally adding water, and I wanted my hair to have that water wave look. Like we're using the true, like we're showcasing the true texture of the hair. That's what I wanted to like show, and that's how I wanted this look to be, like just a really cute water wave type style. So as you guys seen in the thumbnail, I did cut the hair, but this is how the hair looks in its like regular length, which is very cute. I love me a good water wave unit, and this is what the hair looks like from the back. We are basically done. Y'all see how quick it took me to do it, like no time. But now we went in and cut the hair. I didn't want to cut it too short. I just want to do like a cute little bob moment. And I kind of cut the other side slightly longer, but not too much. It wasn't really that noticeable. But as soon as I cut the hair, I was like, oh, this is like this is too cute. And this is a very good wig for the summer because this hair is so light. It looks very full, but it is so light. It felt like I didn't even have anything on my hair, and it is a 7x5, so you don't have that much lace to work with, which is, it's very beginner friendly. You don't have to worry about trying to be like an expert installing this unit. If you literally follow the steps that I did, you will install this unit and it will look just as good as it looks on me. And it was just too cute. Like I just went back in with my water just to define it with my hand a little bit and make sure it's really giving that water wave type texture. But all in all, I really love this unit, and it took me no time to install, and it was just so cute. Like I was definitely feeling it. And then this is what the hair looks like in natural lighting. I just wanted to show y'all just how it looked like in natural lighting. All right, you guys, so just several hours later, and as you guys can see, this is what the hair looks like, y'all. I've been out all day. I wanted to test and make sure like the hair wasn't gonna fall off, and the elastic strap in the back definitely helped, definitely saved me. This is just what the hair is looking like. This is what it's been looking like all day. I love the loose wave of the hair. This is perfect for the summer. This cut that I did on it is definitely perfect for the summer. It looks so good. I want to show y'all how it looks in the back as well. This is a low maintenance hairstyle. All I had to do was put water on it and it took me no time to install it. I love this. Beauty Forever did a great job with this hair, and you guys already know if you guys want to purchase this, all the links will be down below for you guys to purchase. That is the end of this tutorial, and if you guys enjoyed this tutorial or if you have any questions, make sure you guys comment down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel because we are on the road to 300K, and I'll see you guys soon. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Jam babies, we out.